A lot of us are tempted to do this on our natural hair. What if I can show you a better way to transform your natural hair from this to this in just 2 minutes using just few household items like okra? Because for me, the best way to minimize hair breakage is to introduce something with a lot of sleep, so why not okra? So I'm going to show you how to make this detangling cream in just 2 minutes. First, you're going to need your fresh okra. Okra has a lot of minerals and vitamins that are beneficial for your hair, so you're safe. So you're going to dice it or just throw it into your blender, add some water because we only need the juice. We want the viscosity in the water. We're not going to be using the entire okra. So once you're done blending, you're just going to sieve it. You can use any sieve of your choice. I am using my wig cap today, so like I said, you're going to squeeze it out just to get the juice out. So I decided to use okra because the viscosity is long lasting compared to that of aloe vera. I'm sure I've explained that before, but yeah, so this is what our okra juice is looking like. Now we're going to be adding some oils. You do not have to use the exact oils that I am using. I just decided to use some olive oil and some tea tree oil. Like I said, use any oil and essential oil of your choice. So I added about 20 drops of my tea tree oil and about 10 mils of my olive oil. Then I'll be introducing some emulsifying wax. Just add about 15 grams into this. Then I'm going to be doing the double boiling method, or you can use your microwave to make it faster. After that, I decided to transfer it into a better bowl so I can easily mix in this bowl. So you're going to mix for about 2 minutes before adding the rest of your product. As you can see, it's still very fluidy. That's because it is still warm. It's going to get thicker. So I'm going to be using two different preservative here. I decided to use the liquid Jamal Plus and also the phenoxyethanol to back it up, but you can use just one. You don't have to use two. I added about 10 mils each. Then you're going to mix again before adding your fragrance. I decided to use two different fragrances just to sweeten the smell a bit. Use your discretion for this. Use any amount you want. Just use your nose to figure out the smell you want and how you want it to be. Then you're going to mix for 2 more minutes and your detangling cream is ready. Like I said, it's still fluidy because this is just the first day. It's going to get thicker. So I decided to transfer it into the storage bottle, and then to show you guys what it looks like on the first day, but it's going to get thicker after a while. So I'm going to quickly show you what my hair looks like after taking down my 2-month-old protective hairstyle, and this is the viscosity of my detangling cream after about a few weeks. As you can see, the slip is still very much there and it is a lot more viscous than it was the first day I made it. So this is what my hair looks like. It's hard to detangle. You do not want to detangle your hair dry. Never ever detangle your hair dry. Always go in with something that has a lot of slip or moisture. Just use water if you can't do this. So yeah, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm working it into my hair. You're going to apply generous amount to your hair. Apply generous amount, then work your way through your hair. Feel your hair for all the knots and tangles and you'll be good to go. So this is the entire hair that came out during this entire process. Small, right?